Hi friends. This is one very start. You can say that vehicle starters vehicle. So this design is from this called as E-Trans. This moped is from pure electric vehicle, and this name is called E-Trans. And this been given for the people who wants a moped kind of look, and you can do the pedal assistance also along with the accelerator. So if you can talk about from the front, you can see just it has a Luna kind of look, and you have a luggage carrier given in the front, and the shock absorbers are telescopic shock absorbers, very rugged, and it is very strong also. And the wheels are regular alloy wheels, and the tires are tubeless tires, and you have a Luna kind of look on this, and it is very easy to handle. So it has all the basic features of scooter and the scooter vehicle what it is required. And if you just go inside, you can say you can just pedal the vehicle also. The battery is 1 kilowatt hour battery with 48 volts, and it will take at least 2 hours to charge the full battery. And if you do the full charge of this battery, it will take you up to 60 kilometers with pedal assistance. So the battery is very easy to handle. You can take the battery and you can just take it inside your house, and you can charge it directly from your electric socket. So it is very easy, and I suggest you, all our elderly people or our school going kids or the fathers who wants to gift to your children, if you want to gift a starting vehicle to your children, this is the best vehicle, because it comes with very basic features and very efficient working, and it consumes maximum 1.5 to 2 units of current for the total kilometer mileage of 80 kilometers. So it is nearly, again, for 10 rupees you will go up to 100 kilometers is the formula for this. Very economical, very efficient, very easy to drive, and it comes with the remote also, so you can lock, unlock, features are also there. And if you just on the vehicle, you can see what is that there in the odometer. So I will just keep the vehicle in the center stand, and I will just show you how it will run. So now side stand, you just remove it, side stand. Yeah, so now the odometer is on, the display is on. Now you put it in one mode and you can just drive it. You can just raise the accelerator, you can see the speed. So the speed, so in the one mode you get a speed up to around 20-25 kilometers, and in the 2 mode you will get up to 30, and in the 3 mode you will go up to 35. So you can ensure that your kid never goes on high speed. And if at all, if your kid wants to go to some tuitions or some school and nearby places, or if your father who is elderly in age and cannot hold heavy weight vehicles, this is the best suitable vehicle for them, and it's very easy to steer also, very easy to drive also. And I suggest always, this is not a vehicle for doublets, so it is basically a single person can go. And this has anti-theft lock. So if you just lock the vehicle and nobody can, means I'll just display how it works. If you lock it, and if anybody touches your vehicle, it will give a siren. So that anti-theft lock mechanism has been given here, and you have a keyless driving also facility. If you just keyless, if you just double click that, and that will automatically start. So that has started now. So just without key also you can start the vehicle. So we have started this vehicle now. The vehicle is ready to go, and this is locked. So the other important feature of this vehicle, you can see that the other important feature is they have given a very good luggage carrier in front. So you can just carry out any small luggages along with this vehicle. So this is very beautifully designed moped. You can say that this is a electric moped, and it can carry up to 120 kgs. So one basically you can go with one child and one adult, or one single adult can go happily on this for your neighborhood. Coming to the price, E-Trans comes at 55,000 rupees, 54,999 rupees as an ex-showroom, and there are some small accessories like this luggage carrier and the others, and accessories and handling charges together, it will come to around 56,000 rupees. And you have insurance facility also, which is there for this. If you add on insurance also, you will be getting at around 57,300 rupees. So this vehicle is available in all our pure electric scooters dealerships, which are there at Habsiguda, LB Nagar, Kukatpalli, Kompalli and Koti. Thank you.